welcome! By the time you are going to watch this, I am probably on my way to Malta with my friends. This is the trip we've been saving up and getting ready all year long, and I'm looking forward to it so much. But don't worry, I prepared some videos for the channel in advance, so let's get into it. Being a huge Star Wars fan is such a temptation. You might remember my Ayla Secura video from a couple of months ago where I reviewed her figure from the Black Series. This is a line that started around 2013 and consists of a series of articulated 10 cm tall high quality Hasbro figures. Now, I never really liked articulated figures as I don't play with them, nor have I dioramas where I could place them in a specific pose. I just like a nice figure in a cool pose that I can look at and admire from afar. On Facebook, I noticed the sale on a Hungarian web store that had a lot of figures from the Black Series discounted, so I picked out two. Princess Leia from Return of the Jedi, in her Ewok village attire, and Jedi Master Saw from the Acolyte series. In today's video, we will be looking at Leia. I've chosen this one as most of my Star Wars figures are about the male characters. Apart from the Black Series Ayla and the two Unleashed figures of her again and the slave Leia, I have nothing from other female characters. This variant was like 90% off and looked beautiful in the photos, so I thought, why not? Despite probably being painted in Chinese sweatshops, all of the Black Series figures I've seen so far from the close-up look extremely well painted. Their faces are very realistic and true to the characters. Leia looks very pretty here as well, but there seems to be something uncanny valley with her. I think the figure combines the features of Amidala and Leia, as she kinda resembles both of them and really neither of them at the same time. It's almost like they used Amidala's head and added Leia's hair to the top of it. The feet, the hands, the elbows, and to some extent the head also moves, but the hard plastic dress definitely restricts the waist and knee movements, which also makes her kinda hard to place in a position where she does not fall over. Maybe I'm just clumsy with it, it just takes me so much time. I never understood how they pose them in the promotional images, or maybe they are held by some see-through lines that are edited out with Photoshop, I don't know. It was also a bit hard to add the pistol to the hand. Anyway, this was a purchase that was absolutely worth it, and it's a nice addition to my collection. Do you like it? Which one is your favorite Leia outfit? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.